Hey everybody, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate, and in this video, we're going to talk about the word exertion. In the video, we're going to talk about what does exertion mean. I'm going to provide a couple of example sentences on how to use the word exertion, and at the very end, we're going to practice pronouncing the word together. So let's jump right in. The word exertion is a noun. Just as a reminder, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Exertion is a noun, and in this video, we're going to talk about two different definitions. Definition number one, physical or mental effort. So the first definition of exertion can mean physical or mental effort. Physical talks about your body, mental is talking about your mind. Definition number two, application of force or influence. Definition number two, application of force or influence. So one more time, there's two definitions. Exertion is a noun. It can either mean physical or mental effort or an application of force or influence. Running a marathon requires a lot of exertion. Running a marathon requires a lot of exertion. So to run a marathon, over 26 miles, requires a lot of physical effort. Example number two, I was surprised how much exertion was required to open the jar of pickles. I was surprised how much exertion was required to open the jar of pickles. I was surprised how much physical effort it took to open that jar of pickles. It took a lot of physical effort. And then the third example sentence is using the second definition. The security team's exertion towards the protesters was met with hostility. The security team's exertion towards the protesters was met with hostility. So the security team was applying pressure or influence or power over the protesters, and the protesters met that application of influence with hostility. Let's practice our pronunciation. So I want you to listen 3 times. First, exertion, exertion, exertion. And now it's your turn. Exertion, exertion. Good job, everybody. One more time. Exertion. We're going to have more videos talking about more words, so click the subscribe button, click like, so that you can learn more English words with me, English with Nate. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll talk to you more later. Have a great day.